Hello students, in our previous video we studied about, as you know, reading chapter 9 is going on and the chapter name is our body. Okay, so now we come to the next topic. Okay, so let's start. Now let's see about digestive system. Okay, so children, can you tell me what is meant by digestion? The digestion is the process of changing food in your stomach, okay, so that it can be used by the body. And the organs that help by do this form our digestive system. Okay, here students, see the picture. In digestive system, the main parts of the system, okay, are the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, rectum or the anus. Okay, now children, food which you are eating, right? Okay, you are going to eat the food from your mouth. Okay, and the food which we are eating here is going to get mixed with the saliva, okay, which is present in your mouth. Okay, in the mouth your teeth and saliva are going to perform the function. Your teeth is going to break down the food into smaller pieces and saliva is going to mix that food and it is make it to soft. Okay, so mouth, we take in food through our mouth. Okay, the next one is food pipe. So makes it soft food go through this pipe. The pipe is called as food pipe. Okay, what is the pipe? The pipe is called as food pipe. What is the function of the food pipe? Food pipe is push down the food into the stomach. Okay, so food passes down the food pipe. And the next one is stomach. So stomach, it is the organ where the food gets mixed thoroughly. Okay, stomach, it is just like a small mixer grinder. Okay children, and what is the function of the stomach? So this food here in the stomach, the digestive juices are present, okay, which is going to mixes and it forms a paste, right? The food from the stomach, the food is going to intestines. So lastly, the undigested food is through the anus. Okay, now let's see about respiratory system. Okay children, in respiratory system you all can see three major parts. Okay, major parts of the system. Now first one is nose and the second one is windpipe and the third one is lungs. Okay, so these organs together form our respiratory systems. Okay, so how these parts are functioning? Children, how do we breathe? When we inhale the air, we take oxygen inside, isn't it? And when we exhale the air, we give CO2, I mean carbon dioxide, okay, outside, right? Okay, and how does lungs function? The air reaches the lungs and the lungs expand. Like if you say in the balloon, how a balloon just expand this blow air in the balloon, isn't it? In the same manner, your lungs are also going to expand when you will breathe. Okay, now let's see about nervous system. Okay, you all can see in this picture students, the major parts of the system, the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, so these are make up our nervous system. Okay children, so the first one is the brain and the second one is spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, it gives orders to different parts of our body. Okay, the brain, it gives orders to different parts of our body and it has nerves, orders to muscles, bones and other body parts. Okay, and the spinal cord is, last one is the spinal cord. The spinal cord connects all nerves of the body to the brain. Okay students, please go through this chapter 9. Okay, page number 90 and 91. See the next video. Thank you.